Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to take deep breaths to relax. This will be a deep breathing technique tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Now, deep breathing is a key factor for relaxation. I know it's cliche, everyone's like, oh, take 3 deep breaths, take 3 deep breaths. I've been hearing it my whole life, but it actually works. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the steps, and the key here is to keep it so simplistic that it's not even funny. A lot of people will complicate it like crazy. Just keep it so simple that it's not even funny. The most simplistic breathing ever. Okay, so step 1 is to relax all of your muscles. So literally you need to be relaxed. You can't be tense. Take a few moments. Okay, take 5 seconds or 5 minutes, however long it takes, and relax all your muscles. Start with your head. Relax at your neck. Relax shoulders, arms, chest, tummy, torso, legs, lower legs, feet. Relax. And you can hear me calm down. The moment that you relax all your muscles, you get calmer. Okay? So we got to be calm. That's the key for this, to allow this to work. So calm down. Okay? Step 2, breathe in. Step 3, hold it. Step 4, breathe out. And it's literally that simple. Now, before you go, let me just explain a little bit further. You're thinking, you just told me breathe in, hold it, breathe out. Nah, there's a little bit more to it than that. Okay? Relax all your muscles, breathe in, hold, breathe out. Okay? Now, you need to figure out what works for you. Some people recommend box breathing, which is like 4 seconds breathing in, 4 seconds holding it, 4 seconds breathing out, 4 seconds relaxing, and then 4 seconds again breathing in, and so on and so forth. So you just do like 4 seconds breathing in, 4 seconds holding it, 4 seconds breathing out, 4 seconds relaxing. 4 breathing in, 4 holding, 4 breathing out, 4 relaxing. On and on and on. You can do that. That's fine. But my recommendation is don't give yourself some guidelines. Just sit there with your muscles relaxed, and just literally keep it so simple. Say, I'm going to breathe in, I'm going to hold, and I'm going to breathe out. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. In, hold, out. And what's great about this is that you're going to be listening to your body. Your body might want you to take deeper breaths. And if that's the case, you're going to be breathing deeper. Your body might want you to take more shallow breaths. You might breathe a little bit more shallowly for those couple breaths. Listen to your body. If your body wants to get more, give it more. If your body doesn't want as much, don't give it as much. You'll start to feel more relaxed because you're not turning it into a task where, like, if you do deep breathing and you have specific parameters you have to follow, it works, but it's still a task. It might make you a bit more tense. By giving yourself freedom to just say, I'm going to breathe in, I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to breathe out, all while my muscles are all relaxed, you're gonna allow yourself to be the most relaxed possible. The deep breathing works best in this situation when you're trying to relax, okay? When you're trying to relax, when you actually allow your body and your mind to relax. And in order to do that, you need to relax your muscles and give yourself the freedom to breathe in, hold, and breathe out as you wish, okay? That's all. It's literally that simple. It will allow you to relax. Look at how relaxed I am. Usually my videos are like, boom, 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 but I'm relaxed. By deep breathing, it allows you to be relaxed. By deep breathing this way, it allows you to be, in my opinion, sort of like very, very relaxed. And that's truly it. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.